Sarap ako isasama ng ating lovely couple. So, Sir Vincent and Ma'am Josie. Sir Vincent, picture muna tayo. Okay, of course, our official photographer, Aftershock, owned by Sir. Ay, pwede. Ayun sabi mo, Sir Bench, itunog na natin yung frontira nila. Pwede din. Okay, picture muna tayo. Eyes on the camera, lovely couple. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Sir, ay, bakit? Hindi ba yan ang brand? 2x2?
Wala bang 2x2 dyan, partner? At palitan natin kay Sir Vincent and joke lang.
Nakita mo ating groomie dito, yun ang brand niya. Cross hand po tayo yan. That's right. Okay, on my cue. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin. Once again, Mr. Vincent Cutiaman and Mrs. Josie Camiri.
Okay lang yan, preparation sa honeymoon yun, di ba? Then kiss.